Hey guys, so for this week's discussion, we are talking about JSON and a couple other items such as non-relational databases, APIs, public data. Right now we're focusing on JSON and why it's become a more popular field, I guess you could say. So JSON basically stands for JavaScript Object Notation, which is the syntax to describe data structures in JavaScript programming language. It is widely used nowadays for data exchange. So a lot of different organizations are using it as a way to put out data on their web servers. So JavaScript object notation is a schemaless text-based representation of structured data that is based on key value pairs and ordered lists. Now, although JSON is derived from JavaScript, it is supported either natively or through libraries in major programming languages. So there are multiple languages that use the concept of JSON. Uh, it is commonly but not exclusively used to exchange information between web clients and web servers. It has become very, very popular. It's very universal. You could even use it in different databases. So whether it's a relational database or a non-relational database, JSON is also widely used inside that itself. Um, so things like MySQL or NoSQL databases such as Mongo database also support JSON. Um, JSON has become ubiquitous on the web. Today it is the format of choice for most public available web services. So this is also used for things that data sets that certain companies, organizations want to put out public data for. So one example that I have that we use this type of notation is when we want to show things for GIS. And if you guys don't know what GIS is, it's more of like an architectural map of showing data sets of address points, street names. It's you know different types of things like that. I will use this type of object notation. And another example is crime statistics. Crime statistics are also widely used, whether it's from police departments or something like that, where they have a high volume of crime statistics. They could use this type of JavaScript object notation is used, and I actually put a link of what I'm talking about. This is an example of basically a data set of historical data from Los Angeles of just basically the hot crime spots, so all the crimes that happened since 2010. So when you click on it, it actually gives you the actual JSON format, and you'll get to see a little bit more of how that actually looks. Um, it's really, really, really neat. And then again, this is basically a more I don't want to say simpler, but it is simple to put large amounts of data into this. Now there has been arguments of whether JSON format was actually gonna overpower XML. I don't think that is the case. I don't think JSON will actually ever replace XML format. I think XML is going to be used, but JSON has become a popular demand more so just because it is um, expandable to multiple languages. Not just different, not just one specific thing. So a lot of programs are being developed with this. I believe even our school website and the programs that it is used should be similar to this as far as the data sets goes. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys.